Are you looking for the best folding exercise bikes? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best folding exercise bikes that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Marcy Foldable Upright Exercise Bike. Our first choice is the Marcy Foldable Upright Exercise Bike. This bike features one of the smallest footprints of any bike on the market, making it a strong choice for anyone with only a small space for workouts. Like the Exerpeutic model above, this bike also features 8 levels of magnetic resistance which provide a challenging workout for people of all skill and fitness levels. The resistance bands levels on this bike are particularly easy to adjust, even on the fly. Its heavy-duty and durable design is where this bike truly shines, and hence makes it the best folding exercise bike for a heavy person. It's constructed from a high-grade 14-gauge steel frame that's powder-coated with a scratch-resistant finish. The pedals are counterweighted and offer the feel of a high-end bike at a fraction of the cost. This Marcy folding exercise bike has a 2 LCD computer which provides the rider with some different variables including speed and calories burned, distance, and time. At only 37 pounds, it's one of the lighter bikes on the market and certainly one of the smallest, whether it's ready to ride or folded up for storage. However, the bike still manages to support most riders with its 250-pound weight capacity. We look at the heavy-duty durable design, as well as features such as the 2 LCD computer, in our Marcy NS652 review. What we like: slightly larger than other models. Great for every body size. Quiet and smooth drive system, while working out great visibility of large LCD monitors. Easy to assemble and adjust the height of the seat. Number 2. Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic. Our personal favorite is the folding magnetic upright exercise bike from Exerpeutic. I first saw this bike recommended in a roundup review by Best Reviews list, and what particularly stood out was Exerpeutic's strength as top bike brands when it comes to exercise bikes. This bike continues Exerpeutic's reign of dominance in the indoor exercise bike market. Manages to maintain a tiny footprint despite its feature-packed, affordable design. It features a high-torque 3-piece crank system and double-drive transmission system designed to provide the rider with the smoothest operation possible. The adjustable tension is magnetic and offers 8 different tension options which provide a challenging workout regardless of your fitness level. This Exerpeutic bike also features an oversized seat, large display, and hand pulse sensors to keep you comfortable and dialed into your workout. The weight limit for this bike is 300 pounds. This bike is built to last, and a 1-year limited warranty is included, which adds some peace of mind. Even when fully assembled, this bike has a small footprint. But, when it's folded, you'll be able to save on space even further. Its folded dimensions of 22 liters x 20 watts x 55.5 h are sure to be a hit with people who are very short on free small space. As for the workout itself, extra wide leg stabilizers provide smooth and comfortable operation without the fear of tipping over. The drive mechanism is extremely quiet, so you won't have to worry about disturbing anyone while riding, including yourself. The high-torque 3-piece crank system, double-drive transmission, and many other features are explored in our Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic review. What we like: heavy-duty frame can hold up to 300 pounds weight. 8-level magnetic resistance for different workout options for users. 3-piece crank system for smooth pedaling. Belt drive system and quiet workout sessions. Large and cushioned seat. Number 3. Exerpeutic Gold Heavy-Duty Foldable Exercise Bike. The Gold Edition is a top-of-the-line folding exercise bike from Exerpeutic. It holds much more compared to the competition, and also other Exerpeutic models as well, up to 400 pounds. It is one of the best folding exercise bikes for tall men. The frame has 20% more steel compared to some other models. This upright folding bike with heart rate monitor, a wide U-shaped base keeps it more secure, and big LCD is similar to the Marcy NS654 in many ways, but the one thing that differentiates this Exerpeutic upright bike is the weight capacity. The bike seat is adjustable into a wider range of heights accommodating both shorter, but height should not be lower than 5'13", and taller people. Another noteworthy feature of this bike is how comfortable the seat is. To make the assembly job easier, every nut and bolt required has been numbered, and also the steps are listed clearly as well. The 500 XLS folding bike with its wide range of height adjustability is best for short users. Our team has plenty of tall and short guys who tried this bike, and it managed to adjust to every one of them. So all of your household members can work out on the bike with no hassle. Pros. It has a 400 pounds weight capacity. It's a heavy-duty model and has a steel, 20% frame. Wide range of height adjustability. Number 4. Xtra Fitness FB350 Folding Exercise Bike. Another top option for the best folding exercise bikes, this model comes with a solid frame that can save a lot of floor space. Even in the storage cabinet, you will love how space efficient it is. As it is common with the other exercise bikes on our list, it also comes with an 8-level resistance. You can choose the intensity of the workout that you prefer. There is a large dial knob that you can quickly adjust as desired. The small console is also a plus, although it can be quite difficult to see the display, especially when you are in a poorly lit environment. It shows the necessary information you need to know to monitor your progress. Despite being powerful workout equipment, it operates quietly. There is no loud noise that can annoy you. One of the reasons for this is the precision-balanced flywheel. The 3.3-pound flywheel will not make a bothersome noise. The seat is designed to offer the highest level of comfort to the user. It has a padded seat and backrest. It is also anatomically designed to provide long-lasting support, minimizing the chances that you will have an aching body after the workout. There is also a convenient accessory holder, so you can keep your phone next to you as you exercise. Lastly, the manufacturer is offering a 30-day money-back guarantee for your peace of mind. Within such a period, if you are unhappy in any way with the performance of this exercise folding bike, you can return it to the manufacturer and you will receive an unconditional refund. Pros: sturdy frame. Multi-grip handlebar. Smooth and quiet. Number 5. Leno's Folding Exercise Bike. This compact exercise bike offers 10 levels of magnetic tension, providing the freedom to choose the intensity of the workout that you prefer. There is a tension knob that will allow you to challenge yourself and see how far you can go in your workout. The versatility of this lightweight exercise bike is another compelling reason to choose this over other models. You can use it as an upright, recumbent, or semi-stationary bike. Regardless of which you choose, you can be confident that its performance will be top-notch. For your comfort, it comes with a cushioned seat and backrest. The latter will provide the support that you need to avoid straining your back, even when working out for an extended period. The steel construction of the exercise bike is also impressive. While the material is heavy, it is a good thing that it is sturdy. Even after years, you can expect the best from this bike. Nonetheless, despite having a steel frame, some people noted that the exercise bike can wobble a lot, which can be a potential safety issue. Pros: comfortable seat. Sturdy. Has a quiet flywheel. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable your notifications bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price or purchase link in the description below.